Here we have the problem. This is a trigonometric basic equation. Given angle theta, where theta it is greater than or equal to 0 degree or less than or equal to 360 degrees. That is the interval. So we are asked to solve for theta to the nearest degree. So this is the problem that we are given. And remember, we need to know the cast rule, our soccer tour, and special angles, or the table of special angles. So you can use calculator also. Before we can continue, because we are dealing with the acutes, let us simplify this first. We are going to have 2 sine theta, which is equal to positive 1 when you transpose that, or you add 1 both sides. So we are going to divide by 2, meaning the sine theta is equal to 1 over 2. So which quadrant sine theta? Sine is positive. So we have this acute, which is first quadrant and second quadrant according to soccer tour. This is where we find our acute. So remember, our reference here in this situation is going to be part of the solution. So we can name this alpha, and we are going to have the second one here. So let us solve for our alpha, which will be sine of alpha is equal to 1 over 2. Remember, we said it's always positive, the reference angle. So it's going to be sine alpha, or the inverse, sorry. Alpha is going to be the inverse of 1 over 2, which is equal to 30 degrees. Remember, this, since it is the same as the reference angle, so the solution, it is part of it. So we are going to have theta. The answer is 30 degrees. And another one here is going to be, remember, it will be 180 degrees minus 30 degrees, which is equal to, this is the same as equal to 150 degrees. So remember, we said to prove the answer is correct, we must get the same answer, meaning the sine of 30 is equal to 1 over 2. Even the sine of 150, it must give you 1 over 2. Let me check the sine of 150. Yes, that is correct, meaning these are the 2 answers. 2 answers here, it will be 30 and 150 degrees. I hope you find it. So these are the solutions. Remember, we said to prove they are right, you just find sine of 30, it must give you 1 over 2. Sine of 150, it must give you 1 over 2. So thank you so much. Let us go to the next problem.